Hello guys, this is the iPad Pro, the old version 10.7. Guys, if you buy an iPad or iPhone in UAE, you will not get the FaceTime application. This video I'll show you how to get FaceTime without doing anything jailbreaking or something like that. So I'll show you the iPad Pro General. About let's say this iPad Pro. You'll see from here there's the connection in the keyboard. Focus there. Focus. I won't focus. Okay, anyway, this is the iPad Pro because they have 4 speakers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you happen to buy any iPad from Dubai or Abu Dhabi, so you'll find any FaceTime here. This one doesn't work the tutorial will show you doesn't work 100%, but what I'm going to do, I will bring up the FaceTime here. You see from the setting there's no FaceTime. It should be FaceTime showing here. iMessage, and there should be FaceTime here, and then you can put your Apple ID here. So what you're going to do, you don't need to jailbreak your iPad. By the way, this one works only with the Wi-Fi device, not the cellular version. So go to the general and language and region. Just change the region. Change to Egypt. Okay, that's Egypt, and then hit done and continue. It will restart the device, and voila, FaceTime's there. Tara. If you go to settings, you will see there's FaceTime here, so you can log in there. FaceTime and use FaceTime. Oops, how to do this? Oops. Yeah. That's it. Doesn't work like 100%, but it works here. So there's 2 regions you can choose, either Kuwait or Egypt. I don't know why. Maybe it's a bug or something, but it works. So if you happen to buy any iPad in UAE, Abu Dhabi or Dubai, there's no FaceTime on it. So this is how you activate it. Just any question, just comment below. Okay, thank you.